Good morning everyone, my name is Ayan. Today I am going to present my soil moisture sensor. Let me first tell you what components I have used in it. First, I have used Arduino. It is the main brain of the project. Then I have used the jumble wires to connect it, and this is a breadboard which supplies supply power. And then I have used 5 LEDs to tell what is the level of the moisture in the plant. And finally, this is the soil sensor which tells us that which tells the moisture of the plant. Let me show you a demo. See, the blue LED is the blue LED, and then the yellow LED is glowing. It means that the water level, I will show you what is the water level. The water moisture level is 263. It means that the yellow bulb will glow, and it had glowed when I showed you in the demo. Thank you.